Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Alright, so when I've been using this Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, I have checked what options we have to create a backup, and I'll show you all of them. So to create a backup, we need to open up the settings, and we have a few options. Let's scroll down first and let's click on Accounts and Backup. We can create a backup using the Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, and into the external storage drive. Don't look on the transfer data for device setup, because this option works in that way that thanks to it we can only bring the data into our device. We cannot transfer it from this device into another one. So this option is for setuping the Samsung and to bringing in the data from other devices, not sending them out. So let's begin with the Samsung Cloud first. Let's click on Backup Data. If you want to create a backup using the Samsung Cloud, you need to be logged into your Samsung account. If you don't have it, you need to create it if you want to use this method. Okay, in here, select the things that you want to backup. It's up to you. I want everything except apps. And now hit the Backup Now button. Now the process will start. It won't take long, so don't worry. Click on Done. And that's all. Very fast method. Our backup now is stored in our Samsung Cloud. Now let's go into the Google Drive. Select Backup Data. Now we have the backup details. When you see that, for example, photos and videos are off, to enable them, click on them and enable them right in here to create a backup. Pretty easy thing. Okay, now everything is enabled. Let's also check the other data. It's also enabled. And now as you scroll down, in here you'll be able to see into which Google account our backup will be saved. So in here we have our mail, and on that account our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account, and that you can see right in here on your device, of course. Okay, now to create a backup, simply hit this green button, Backup Now. Now the process will start. We need to wait a few seconds. We can see that backing up process is running. We can see this circle that it's starting to fulfill, and when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. So I'll see you once it's done. Alright, when the circle disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. That was the second method. Now let's go back. Now let's go into the external storage transfer. Now scroll down, click on Continue, click on More and Allow. And now we need to insert our SD card or an USB storage device. In my case, I will use the USB, so I'll plug it in. Okay, now select the backup to USB storage. Click on that. Now the process will start. First it's searching for the data, and now we can select what we want to backup. We can simply select everything. You can see that it will be around 8 gigabytes of the data, and it's going to take about 11 minutes to copy everything. We can copy just calls, contacts and messages, or we can always click on Custom, then click on Next, and we can manually select the things that we want or don't want to backup. In my case, I'll select just calls, contacts and messages. Then click on Next. Once you have selected everything, click on OK. Now the process has started. In my case, it won't take long, because I have only selected the calls and the rest. Okay, 100%. It should stop and end at any second. Just like that, backup results. Now click on Next. All set. Click on Done, and now we can unplug our USB, and the backup has been successfully created. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.